Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love fight now. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Keep that in mind and take what works for you and just leave the rest, okay? So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Virgo, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading and then we'll take it on from there. Ooh, steady progress jumped out for you, Virgo. And the first shuffle itself, it just jumped out and sat there for you. So to be very honest, I did a pre-shuffle and this card showed up earlier as well. So I'm not going to bother shuffling and spreading out the cards and taking out one. We're just going to keep this one and see what is this steady progress all about. So let's put this card here and let's get on with your reading then. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that you sent me, your likes, your support to the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And yes, Virgo, this Sunday, tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's special. Just to kind of a fun read to see how your partner truly is feeling about you, whether you guys are together or apart. So make sure your notification bells are on because I normally don't do a reading on Sundays, but this time it's a special day, so I thought I'll surprise you. So yes, newbies, you too. If you're subscribing, don't forget to press, that notification bell. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So, Virgo, I see bottom of my deck I have the Nine of Wands. Either somebody is putting down their guard now, or maybe somebody stopped fighting for something. Now we'll have to open the rest of the cards to see what that means. Queen of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, Death in reverse, High Priestess, Temperance, Strength, and the King of Swords. So somebody has lost trust maybe in the past, they've been very, very upset and angry, and they're kind of thinking of letting go of a connection because they're very upset now. Maybe you guys are not in communication, but center of my spread, I do see the Death in reverse. That means it's not really over right now, Virgo. Either you or your partner doesn't really want this change to happen, doesn't want to let go, wants to now start talking again. If there's been no communication, they want communication to re-begin here. So they want to bring back balance to this relationship. They are trying to find their courage or trying to step up maybe, because I do see the King of Swords upright. So that this King of Swords is an honest, truthful person who wants to bring clarity to a situation. So let's take some dialogue message cards, Virgo, first. See what's going on here, and then we'll proceed. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Ooh, too many. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be, Spirit? Thank you. And let's take some from this deck. Virgo and their person. Okay. And let's take some true confession cards as well. Okay. So Virgo, the first card I have other things on my mind other than you. Somebody is trying to juggle a lot of things in their life, and that's the reason I think there's been no communication. I have other things on my mind other than you. I wish I could take back all the hurtful things I said to you. I'm very sorry that I caused you so much pain. Needs no explanation here, Virgo. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you? I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. So even though this feminine energy is upset and angry and ready to release, there's been no communication. There is somebody here who's saying, hey, listen, I'm sorry, I'm going to make things right, and my desire is to eventually have a family with you. I want to welcome you into my family. You are half my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. This is a second reference to having a family with you. Okay, for the feminine here, somebody really desires to have a family with you, because that'll be the real family. It drives me crazy how you manage to read my mind and hijack my thoughts. How do you know everything? I can't hide anything from you. I realize I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. Last card here says, it irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I am doing everything I can to learn and grow to become a better person. You tease me, you make fun of my beliefs. I find that really hurtful, as you're unwilling to even talk with me about them. And yes, there is somebody saying, I wish I could take back those hurtful things I said to you. I'm sorry. I don't know what's happened, Virgo. You each would have a different story here, but I do have a Queen of Swords who's got her sword up now, ready to release and is very, very upset. Queen of Swords, Spirit. Queen of Swords is being very clear about it as well, saying, hey, listen, I want the truth. I want nothing but the truth. I'm communicating to you. I need you to tell me what the truth is. Or if this tower has to fall, then so be it. I'll release this connection totally. They feel their masculine doesn't love them, has been emotionally manipulating them, is not being authentic towards them, and because of the lack of communication, somebody is feeling rather confused and upset as to what to do. I think anger is a big issue here with the feminine here. Very upset, very angry. Queen of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Yes. This feminine feels it's all over. It's all over. I've been betrayed. This person is manipulating me, doesn't love me. And yes, if they don't come towards me with the truth now or rectify the situation, then I'm going to allow this tower to fall. I'm not interested either, because I feel a loss of love now. So now there is a major problem of no communication. 8 of Wands, Spirit. 8 of Wands. Because this feminine feels, the reason this feminine has stopped communicating is because feminine and masculine doesn't have to be man and woman. Virgo, you would know, right? If you are embodying your feminine side more or your masculine side more. I could be embodying my masculine side right now or my feminine side. We have it within us, all of us. So whoever has been waiting and feeling manipulated and feeling upset and angry, according to the pictures on the, it's just an energy. This energy is feeling like nobody is invested with me. Nobody is invested in this connection. And but both of you, to be honest, both of you haven't really let go of each other. There is still unfinished business here. Both have this fear of change. Both don't really want to let go of this connection and are searching for the truth now. But right now, trust is an issue. This feminine feels this masculine always comes towards me with promises which they never keep. And they feel that they make a fool out of them each time. Each time I believe in them, they make promises, they never keep them. And eventually I feel like a fool. High Priestess in reverse. High Priestess in reverse, Spirit. I think whatever hurtful things have been said has kind of really hurt this feminine. Both of you, I think, are not really happy Want to heal this broken heart now after this fight has happened, trying to bring back balance and heal the situation. Yes, the fight has been bad. Fight has been really bad, where one person has felt that after this fight they feel like they lost. Somebody always wants to have their way or the highway, always making them feel not worth it, hurting them with words or actions or whatever, and is trying to heal from this very bad fight, I think. Strength. Strength is clarified by the strength in reverse, because they feel that I can't hold on. I feel till I don't now get an apology, I'm not going to give to this connection. I feel they're waiting though. They're waiting, they're spying, they're waiting. They feel like this masculine has always manipulated them, is a trickster, doesn't want to put work in. Now I know all the secrets, but this is all one sided, I'm saying. I want to see what this King of Swords has to say, who's in the upright now. Spirit, this King of Swords. This King of Swords is dreaming of the happily ever after here, while the feminine is feeling upset and angry. Yes, things are going a little slow right now, but there is the masculine feels this is my soulmate, and if this ends, it's going to be like something as very bad has backfired on me. They don't want to lose this connection. They know this is their soulmate. They know this is their happily ever after. They want to come forward with some clear communication after things have halted now, because if that doesn't happen, they'll never forgive themselves. They'll feel life has kind of backfired on me. So yes, slow and steady, feminine, whoever you are, don't be very, very angry right now. Just kind of heal if you can. Take this time. Don't think the worst, because your words also have consequences. You're going to manifest what you think, right? So just kind of make steady progress in your life and give this masculine a little bit of time. Maybe they really do have other things on their mind right now to do, or before they can come to you. Okay, so don't think the worst, please, and let down your guard. Let down your guard. If they ever come, they do want to work towards you, they do want to work with you. It's just that it's a little bit slow in coming, because maybe like the card said, they have other things to do, and they really wish they could take their hurtful things back. They want to end this fight with you. They really do want to end this fight with you. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.